Hello folks, my name is Mark. Welcome to my channel, and today is June 2nd, 2025. And it's starting to get warm. I need to put up my rear screen door on my cargo trailer, 6x10 cargo trailer, camper conversion, I guess you should call it. And I've had the screen door installed before, so I just need to put it up, and I thought I'd make a quick video on how I do that, seeing how my other videos were not very concise concerning this subject. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Now I've got my screen door in this bucket right here, and I've already applied the loop part of hook and loop tape around the perimeter, the bottom and the sides of the screen door. And of course, that's a Magic Mesh screen door that I picked up at Walmart a couple years back. Now, I did buy extra hook and loop tape in order to do this installation, and because they don't give you enough. They give you enough to do like one side. So I did buy this stuff when I originally put this in. And I've got the hook portion of the hook and loop tape on the wall, going all the way down and then across the bottom, right? And then back up the other side. And it turns and goes around and up this piece of wood so that it avoids this cable and mechanism there. And then for the top, it's held up not by hook and loop tape, but by this thin piece of wood and these screws. So I need to remove this piece of wood, remove those screws, and then put it back up when the screen is all the way up. I've found that the hook and loop tape it's adequate for the sides, and it's fine for the bottom, but it's not good enough for the top. In the hot summers here, it always lets go. So you have to use mechanical fasteners, a piece of wood, some screws or something to hold it up in a permanent manner, much like I've done here at the man door. It just lets go after a year, or as soon as the hottest time of the year comes around, your tape will just fall right off. Doesn't matter, just how it is. So we'll get started. So that's the little piece of wood that holds the screen door up. All right, so I'm just sticking the hook and loop tape together. One is affixed to the screen, and then one is affixed down there, and just putting it together. and I'll work the bottom and then the sides, and then we'll get the top last, because I kind of want it to try to get it tight this time. Let's see if we can do that. Kind of up on that side, and then just got to finish doing that part up and then putting up our stick. Well, that didn't take too long. A little bit ripply in the corner here, but I'm not too worried about that. You can get a nice fold if you do it right, but that should keep the bugs out, I think. There's a little bit of gap there. I need to tighten that up in there some, but not a big deal. Outside and look at it. But this is the way it's been for a couple years now. Works all right. Wasn't too expensive. You know, I think it was $20 or something for the screen, and maybe another $15 for the extra hook and loop tape. A little bit of effort to create this piece of wood to go across to attach it to and whatnot, but it's a really nice thing to have, to be able to open up this rear door and let the trailer cool off in the evening. It always holds the heat a lot better than, you know, outside. So in the evening after a hot day, it'll be hotter in the trailer than it is outside for a long time, unless you can open up this rear door and let the trailer cool down at the same rate as the evening air. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.